The Japanese stock market is on fire. The trading floor is buzzing with activity, and the energy is palpable. The Nikkei 225 index has surged over 20% in the past 6 months. This remarkable growth has caught the attention of investors worldwide. This is a stunning turnaround for an economy that has struggled for decades. Japan's financial landscape is undergoing a significant transformation, and the signs of recovery are evident everywhere. What's behind this incredible run? Analysts are diving deep into the data, trying to understand the factors driving this surge. Is it a result of new economic policies, or perhaps a global shift in market dynamics? And what does it mean for the rest of the world? The interconnectedness of global markets means that Japan's resurgence could have far-reaching implications. This incredible surge in the Nikkei is not just a local phenomenon. It's being felt across international markets, influencing trading strategies and investment decisions globally. It has sent shockwaves through global markets. Traders are reacting swiftly, adjusting their portfolios to capitalize on the opportunities presented by Japan's market boom. Investors are taking notice of Japan's resurgence, meetings are being held, strategies are being revised, and the focus is shifting towards the potential of the Japanese market. They are pouring money into Japanese stocks. The influx of capital is driving up stock prices, creating a positive feedback loop that further fuels the market's growth. This is driving the Nikkei even higher. As the index reaches new highs, the optimism among investors continues to grow, and the celebrations are just beginning. The question now is, how long can this momentum be sustained, and what will be the long-term impact on the global financial landscape? Japan's stock market success is a big deal. It signals a potential shift in the global economic landscape. For years, Japan's economy has been seen as stagnant. Now it is showing signs of life. This resurgence could have a ripple effect around the world. A strong Japanese economy is good news for global growth. It could lead to increased trade and investment. This could boost economies worldwide. Japan's economic miracle of the post-war era is well documented, but the country has faced significant challenges in recent decades. The collapse of the Japanese asset price bubble in the early 1990s led to a prolonged period of economic stagnation. This period, often referred to as the lost decades, was characterized by low growth, deflation, and high debt. The Japanese economy struggled to regain its footing. Investors lost confidence. The stock market languished. So what has changed? A number of factors have contributed to Japan's recent success. One key factor is government policy. The Japanese government has implemented a number of reforms aimed at stimulating economic growth. These reforms, often referred to as Abenomics after former Prime Minister Shinzo Abe, have focused on monetary easing, fiscal stimulus, and structural reforms. These policies have helped to weaken the yen, boost exports, and encourage investment. Section 5. Technological innovation, fueling the engine. Another key factor is technological innovation. Japan has long been a leader in technology. Japanese companies are at the forefront of innovation in areas such as robotics, artificial intelligence, and renewable energy. These technological advancements are helping to drive economic growth and create new jobs. They are also attracting foreign investment and boosting Japan's competitiveness on the global stage. Section 6. Confidence boost, investors place their bets. Investor confidence has also played a role in Japan's stock market surge. Investors are increasingly optimistic about Japan's economic prospects. They are pouring money into Japanese stocks. This is driving up stock prices. This surge in investor confidence is a vote of confidence in Japan's economic reforms and its future growth potential. It is a sign that investors believe that Japan is finally turning the corner after decades of economic stagnation. Section 7. The record-breaking moment. Japan takes center stage. The Nikkei 225 index, Japan's benchmark stock index, recently surpassed the 33,000 mark for the first time in over 3 decades. This milestone is not just a number, it represents a significant turning point in Japan's economic history. For years, the Nikkei 225 had struggled to regain its former glory, but this recent surge has reignited hope and optimism among investors and economists alike. This record-breaking moment sent shockwaves through global markets. Investors around the world took notice, and the ripple effects were felt in stock exchanges from New York to London. Analysts began to reassess their strategies, considering the implications of Japan's resurgence on the global economic landscape. The surge in the Nikkei 225 index was not just a local phenomenon. It had international ramifications, influencing market sentiments and investment decisions worldwide. It signaled the return of Japan as a major economic force. After decades of economic stagnation and deflation, Japan's economy is showing signs of robust growth and resilience. The business community in Japan is buzzing with renewed energy, and international investors are once again looking at Japan as a land of opportunity. This resurgence is a testament to the country's ability to adapt and innovate in the face of challenges. Experts hailed the achievement as a testament to Japan's economic reforms and its growing technological prowess. Over the past few years, Japan has implemented a series of economic policies aimed at revitalizing its economy. These reforms, coupled with advancements in technology and innovation, have played a crucial role in driving this remarkable growth. From cutting-edge robotics to advancements in artificial intelligence, Japan is at the forefront of technological innovation, and this is reflected in its economic performance. The world watched as Japan stepped back onto the global stage, not as a fading giant but as a revitalized economic powerhouse. This moment is a reminder of Japan's enduring strength and its potential to shape the future of the global economy. As the country continues to innovate and grow, the world will be watching closely, eager to see what the next chapter in Japan's economic story will bring. Section 8. A new era for global markets, Japan's impact. In recent years, Japan has been making waves in the global financial scene, and its influence is becoming increasingly significant. Japan's stock market resurgence has significant implications for the global economy. The Tokyo Stock Exchange, one of the largest in the world, has seen a remarkable recovery, attracting attention from investors worldwide. This resurgence could lead to increased trade and investment flows, not just within Asia, but across the globe. Japan's strategic position in the global market makes it a key player in international trade. A stronger Japanese economy could also boost global growth. The ripple effects of Japan's economic health are felt far and wide, influencing markets in Europe, North America, and beyond. However, challenges remain. Despite the positive trends, Japan's economy still faces significant headwinds. An aging population poses a demographic challenge, potentially leading to a shrinking workforce and increased social security costs. Additionally, high government debt remains a pressing issue that could impact long-term economic stability. The future of the global economy is uncertain, with many variables at play. Geopolitical tensions, technological advancements, and environmental concerns all contribute to this uncertainty. But Japan's recent success offers a glimmer of hope. It demonstrates that even economies that have struggled for decades can turn things around with the right policies and innovations. Japan's journey is a testament to resilience and adaptability. It shows that with strategic planning and international cooperation, economic revitalization is possible. What do you think? Is Japan's stock market surge a sign of things to come? Could this be the beginning of a new era of sustained growth and prosperity for Japan and the global economy? Or is it just a blip on the radar? Skeptics argue that the current surge might be temporary, driven by short-term factors rather than long-term fundamentals. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear from you. Do you believe in Japan's economic resurgence, or do you think the challenges are too great to overcome? And be sure to check out our other articles on the global economy. Stay informed about the latest trends and developments that could shape our financial future. Thank you for watching.